Hello friends, happy day to all. Today we are going to see C++ theory. Yes, C++ theory is an important programming language after C. Okay, so we will see just an introduction to C++ now. So it is a static type. It's a static type. That means the type of the variables we are used in this are known at compile time instead of runtime. So that is called as a static type. This C++ programming language is called as a static type. That means the type of the variables is known at compile time itself instead of runtime. Okay, so it is a static type and it is compiled. We can able to compile this language, and it is a general purpose language. General purpose means it is used for a various normal application, like C is also a general purpose language. General purpose means this language is used for general applications like bank application or payroll application. So wherever you are using that application using C++ programming, I can able to create this general applications. So it's called as a general purpose language, and it is a case sensitive. That is, lower case and upper cases differ in C++. Okay, and then it is a free form programming language. It is supports procedural. We are following some procedure, like in a C also we are following some procedural language, right? That is first you have to declare the preprocessor director and then main function and the data declaration part and everything, right? So it is also an procedural language, and the only main difference between C and C++ is it is an object oriented. We are going to see that OOPS concepts. This OOPS concept is the only difference between the C and C++, and most of the functions and arrays, data types are similar to C only. So the only difference between C and C++ is OOPS concept, and it's a generic programming, and C++ is also called as a superset of C. So after C, the evolution of C is called as a C++ program, and it is developed in 1979 by 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐴𝐻 at the Bell Laboratories. And C++ is also most widely used object-oriented programming language. It's an object-oriented programming language. It is also helpful for all the software engineers, and it is widely used in all the applications and software programs are developed using C++. Yes, once again I am recapping the concept introduction of C++. It's a static type, it's a compiled, it's a general purpose programming language, it's a case sensitive, and it's a free from programming language that support procedural and object oriented, and it's a general programming. And C++ is a superset of C, and it is developed by 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐴𝐻 in 1979 at Bell Laboratories. And C++ is most widely used object oriented programming, and it is helpful for all the software engineers, and it's a widely used in applications and software programs. Okay, so this is the general introduction to C++, and now we are going to see what are the applications of C++. Application of C++, application means wherever this C++ programming is used, that is called as its applications, right? So the applications of C++ is operating system. We can create an operating system, or we can create Microsoft Windows, and we can create browsers. What are the browsers? Google Chrome, Google. So these are all browsers, right? Internet Explorer. So these browsers are created using the C++ program. That is an application of C++. Library files we can create, and also we can create some graphic images and banking application. So these are all created using C++ program. Cloud or distributed system, databases, and embedded system. What is embedded system? So database, you know, already records are stored in some place, that is database. Embedded system, you are implemented the program in a object. Okay, program implemented in an object. For example, in a fridge you are setting a time, right? And in a washing machine you are setting a time. That is called as an embedded system. AC is automatically off within a set time. So that is called as an embedded. So these kind of embedded systems are created using the applications using the C++ program, and also telephone switches, compilers, network drivers. So everything is created using the C++ program. So this is an applications of C++.